Everybody, welcome to another video. It's snowing right now, and we're gonna be fishing soon, in like an hour or so, and yeah. Okay guys, alright, so it's snowing, not much, like not very much to stick, but I just got my eye. There's definitely some snow coming down. We're on our way to the fishing spot right now. Drew is literally, I think he's blind from all the snow getting in his eyes, but we're almost at this fishing spot. Yeah, we'll be there soon. Okay guys, so to start off the day, I'm gonna be using these things right here. These color changing wacky worms right here. Basically all day we're just gonna be fishing wacky rigs. We're gonna try a bunch of different sizes and colors, but this one I'm gonna start out with. Drew is going to start out with these ones right here whenever he gets started fishing. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna rig mine up real quick. Back channel. There we go. And we gotta work it very slowly because obviously it's cold. It's literally snowing right now. I've never caught a fish in the snow before. I've caught it through ice in the mountains, but I never caught something through the snow. Then we're going for bass here, so I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll see. I can't even tell where I'm casting until it hits the water. I'm gonna cast out to the deeper area. So this worm I'm using actually changes color based off like the temperature of the water. Jeez, it's coming. Man, it's coming down hard now. Jeez, this snow.
I'm calling this the sea hook design.
What the?
I've never seen anything like this, but we're gonna see if it works.
Does that have a tail on it?
Yeah. You see?
It's just, I mean, you could use it as a wacky, or you could make your own sea hook design, whatever. Let's see if Drew just invented a brand new rig. Where are you going?
Waiting.
Okay, have fun. You going out over there on top of that, yeah. I don't know what Drew's doing over there. He's waiting over there, fishing in the snow. I mean, that doesn't seem like a very safe idea, but I mean, he can do what he wants, I guess. What?
Starts to get deep over here.
Okay. I don't know, guys. This is quite a challenge, trying to catch something. Oh, wait. Something just try to take it. So
Alright guys, we're going to the secret swampy spot.
we're gonna be traveling through a swamp now, you guys, so we'll see how this works. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've made it to the creek right here. Right now I'm fishing with a very small worm. Just trying to see if I can get anything to go after it. So there's this big structure right here, so I'm trying to see if there's anything underneath it that I'll be able to catch. Okay guys, so Drew, we're going to go switch up spots. I didn't get anything from here. So yeah, we'll be in the next one in a second. So here's the second part of the creek right here. I'm gonna stay here for a few minutes and then we're going to go to the big lake. We'll see if I get any hits over here. Damn, the snow's like almost completely stopped. This cold water is changing the color of this worm. The tide is coming in right now, so we should probably leave soon before the swamp gets all flooded. Shoot. Crap. Dang it. I'm just gonna get through here first. Okay guys, so Drew's hands are turning into ice cubes. He's got frostbite and he's gonna have to get his hands amputated. But This is the last spot right here. It's this big lake right here. I'm gonna try for a little bit here, and then if I don't catch anything, I guess I got skunked. But that's okay, because what you guys need to do is make sure to subscribe and make sure you come back this spring, because this spring I'm going to have a bunch of good stuff. Whenever the fishing picks back up, I'm going to be catching 10-pound bass, 12-pound bowfin. I'm making stuff up. We probably do that, but that's what we're going to be trying to do. Some big gars, stuff like that. No, I think something did fly off though. Because look, my reel is going backwards too. I don't think it's supposed to do that. Hold on, hey guys. Huh?
So we need new reels.
Oh yeah. Did like a screw pop out or something? Or maybe something fell off in the swamp.
Probably.
Oh, my reel fixed itself. Okay, this is gonna be the last cast. This is gonna be the greatest cast in all of mankind ever. Or not. The worm just flew straight off the hook. So, well, I think that was a sign, Drew. Did you see that? No, I cast it and the worm just launched right off. Okay. Well, that's gonna be it. All right, I'm gonna make an attempt at catching some more bait fish. Something has got the bluegill, the little baby bluegill. All right, guys, I'm gonna go for it. Let's see. Is he still on or is he off? Oh, he's on, he's on. My line is wrapped around my reel. Come on, come on. Where's it wrapped? There it is. It somehow got tangled from underneath. I think he's still on there though. Okay, there we go. I'm good. He's still on, he's still on. Okay, let's go. Looks like a baby chain pickerel. This is my first ever chain pickerel, so that's cool. It's very squirmy. Alright guys, so here it is, my first ever chain pickerel. I know they get a whole lot bigger than this, so hopefully I can catch a monster chain pickerel. That'd be cool. Alright, see you later, buddy. There he goes. He's a pretty cool catch. Now I'm going to try and catch some more bait fish. Oh, the sun's really bright over there. Okay, just threw him out. There's the net. Okay. I'm gonna go for the hook set. I don't see the bobber anywhere, so yeah, this thing's on here. Okay, let's go. Looks like another pickerel. Still not very big. I think it's bigger than the last one though, so that's nice. It's a cool looking fish. Hooked him right in the top of the mouth. It's really good. Hook set right there. Popped right out. Second pickerel of the day. Looks a little bigger than the last one. This is going to end the video. Hopefully you guys, if you want to come back this spring, you gotta hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because this spring we're gonna have some big videos coming. We're gonna be catching like state record size, a lot of fish. But yeah, so we're gonna be ending the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.